we're taking on a new role with UCPath in providing direct operational services to the employees of UC.
The UCPath Project is one of the largest business transformation projects in higher education in the United States.
UCPath began as a replacement project for the legacy payroll system, which we call PPS. It's worked for many years, but it's a highly inefficient process.
UCPath is an acronym that stands for Payroll, Academic Personnel, Timekeeping, and Human Resources. That represents the major business processes that we are trying to serve within the UCPath Center.
I've been working with UCI for 15 years, and we do a lot of things really great. One of the things that was really holding us back was we had these really old systems. So we created all of these processes that were made more elaborate to kind of work around all of the shortcomings.
Our focus has really been about collaborating with the campuses to establish a shared vision, standardizing the way we do things, then saying, okay, if we've got a shared services center now, what is it that you can think about doing more effectively at the campus level?
Teamwork and collaboration is very important on this project. We have the UCPath Center, we have the different locations. We see ourselves as, as one team.
It's really nice because we're able to bond with the other campuses. So we work together, we figure out our differences, we figure out what's common.
It represents a new way of thinking about how higher education can be efficient in areas where it needs to be efficient, so it can remain innovative in areas where we need to be innovative.
The most exciting thing about transitioning to UCPath is the university is going to have one system of records. You don't have to go from campus to campus fishing for information. That's a huge advantage for the university.
When I came to the Office of the President, I had transferred from Berkeley, and it wasn't a seamless process. I thought I was a UC employee. I got here and I got sent home my first day to go fill out my paperwork because the system didn't know who I was.
We're in the process of making this better and going into continuous improvement over time.
We will produce what's known as a customer satisfaction index, how well we are either meeting or exceeding our customers' expectations with the types of transactional services that we provide. And the data allows us to clearly understand what things we need to do differently, what actions we need to take, and what areas we need to improve within our business processes.
The University of California needs to focus all of its resources on the research that we deliver to California and to the world, and spend less time worrying about how we administer the business of running the institution.
I think we're made stronger as a campus with the implementation, and we will be better for it over time.
Everything we have needed to get from the Path Center, we have been able to get. Changes are scary, but at the end of the day, it's turning out to be a very good thing to have.